Imagine waking up one morning, checking your phone, only to see that your fully monetized YouTube channel or Facebook page has completely been shut down. Everything you worked hard for over the years has gone in a matter of minutes. Guys, that is the reality of many creators. Thousands of creators on a weekly basis lost their YouTube channel or their Facebook pages for one reason or the other, and then they have to start afresh. But that is why I'm here to tell you what you need to start doing. The hard truth is that this happens to many creators every day. Thousands of creators wake up some days to see that they have lost their account on Facebook or YouTube or other platforms. What can you do? It is gone. The truth is, you don't actually own these social media accounts. You are just renting their space, so they can shut you down any day, any time, without any single warning. This is why owning your own website, where you advertise products, or you rent ad space to ad agencies like Google's own AdSense, is the best decision you can make as a creator. The worst that can happen to your website is that if you don't play by Google's rule, maybe you are doing something black hat, and Google can shut you. They can decide not to feature your website on their search engine, which is google.com. That's the worst that can happen. But google.com, even though it's the largest search engine, is not the only search engine in the world. I can tell you, as someone who have done this many times, I have made money, and I'm talking about maybe like $4,000 a month on website that doesn't appear on Google. Website that only get traffic from Microsoft Bing, Yahoo Search, Yandex, which is a big search engine from Russia, China Baidu. I've made money from website that doesn't show up on Google because of I use black hat to build backlinks to rank my website, and Google caught me, and then they shut down my website. It stopped appearing on their search engine. That was the worst that can happen to you to your website. Nobody can take it away from you. It's not like a Facebook page and YouTube channel that is just like you renting a space to advertise yourself and your business, and the landlord can come one day and shut you down without any warning, and you have no say. No, website doesn't work like that. So far as you pay for your domain every year or yearly, and you pay for your hosting, your website will be up, on, and running. Now, stick around, because I'm going to show you one of my websites that I just launched like a few days ago, and how I am already advertising product and I'm already making some money with it, even though it's brand new website. I'm not gonna give you tutorial how to build a website. I'm just gonna show you. Building a website is not complicated. You can buy a domain from GoDaddy or from Namecheap, and then you launch. And the guide is there all over YouTube, how to launch a WordPress website. And you start. You learn how to write good article that can rank on Google and other search engines. That's how you start your website business and start earning money. So right now, let me just show you one website that I launched, and you're gonna see how I place Amazon ad on it, so that when viewers come to the website, they will look at the ads, and if they like it, when they click on it, it will take them to my Amazon shop. They will buy something and I will get a cut. Sometimes Amazon don't pay much. Sometimes they give you only 5%, 4%. But what if you sold item worth $1,000 and you sold 5 of them in a day? Think about that, and you get 5%. That's something. So at the end of the month, you have made something. And if your website is getting a lot of traffic, you can sell 20 items in a day. So, you can decide to run a news channel, a news website. I have news website, but like I've said in my other video, anything news, after that day or after the news, once nobody is talking about that same particular news, the traffic dies down. All effort you put in creating that content, whether it's on website or YouTube, becomes like a waste. So if you are gonna go into news niche on your, on your new website, be careful, because it's stressful waking up to create news content every day. Although for me, I don't touch my website. I use N8N to automate all the content that you are going to see on this website. So, for me, it's easy for me. My website is, is getting content while I'm sleeping. So everything on that website you are going to see is automated. And you can also learn how to automate your system using N8N. That is why you are a content creator. I see a lot of people bragging about being content creator. All they know is Facebook, YouTube, and all this thing. No, that doesn't make you you are a Facebook or YouTube creator. A content creator creates content on different platforms and make money from many sources. So let's go into this website and show you what I have been talking about. Okay, guys, so here is my one website I launched a few days ago. The name of the website is called X Newsline. X Newsline. Now everything on this website is automated. All these posts, all these things posted here, like this one right now, they are all automated. I use automated system to populate this website. So when people come to this website, this is ad. This is an Amazon ad. So when they click here, if they like this thing, in the course of reading the story, they can like any of these. See, I place a lot of this ad, like this one here. If they like it, they can click here. And when they click here, it will take them to my Amazon store. You see, this is my Amazon store. How did I came here? I came here from my website. I just click on the ad. So if they scroll and like anything, and they eventually buy something, they order something from this website, I will get at least 5%. So if even if when they come here, even if they search for anything else, because they came from my website, I will still get a cut from whatever they buy. So guys, this is one of the ways you make money on on websites, selling product online. Or you can also place ad on anywhere here. You can sell ad space to like Google AdSense if they approve you, or because it's hard to get into Google AdSense, you can also use other ad network like Astera or Taboola. Too many of them that you can use to make money. So this is it, guys. I hope you learned something from this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.